Hello friends, we are going to start our journey to crack government exam. Our first targeted exam is RRB NTPC. Here we are going to discuss about the exam pattern, total vacancy, and the very important thing is syllabus of NTPC. So, total vacancy is 11,558. अब probability है कि और भी बढ़ जाएगी. So, as you all know, the pre and the main exam. So, in CBT 1, subjects are मैथ्स, रीजनिंग, GAGS. तो यहाँ पे बेफिक्र रहो, यहाँ पे आपको इंग्लिश नहीं सताएगी. नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन इन CBT 1, मैथ्स 30, रीजनिंग 30, GAGS 40. टोटल मार्क्स 30 and total marks 40. Number of question total 100, number of marks total 100 and duration is 90 minutes. In CBT 2, the subject are same, maths, reasoning, GAGS. Question are extend 35, 50 and the marks are also the same. Duration is 90 minutes. Duration is 90 minutes only. Now we are going to discuss syllabus. Syllabus for CBT 1 and CBT 2 for both. In maths, number system, LCM, HCF, decimal, fraction, ratio preparations, percentage, mensuration, time work, speed, time distance, profit and loss, algebra, compound interest and simple interest, geometry, trigonometry, simplification, average, probability, statistics. And in the reasoning, analogies, complexion of number and alphabetical series, coding, decoding, math operation, similarities and differences, relationships, analytical reasoning, syllogisms, jumbling, Venn diagrams, puzzle, data sufficiency, decision making, maps, interpretation of graphs, statement, conclusion. Now the most important part is GAGS. So current event of national and international importance, यानी current affairs, national or international both. Games and sports, art and culture of India, Indian literature, monuments and places of India. So these topics are in the static GK. History of Indian freedom struggle, physical, social and economical geographical of India and world, यानी history and geography, Indian polity and government's constitution and political system, यानी polity, general scientific and technology, again static GK, UN and other important world organization. Static GK part, environmental issue concerning India and world, and the fourth subject is Indian economy. Now development including space and nuclear program of India, common abbreviations, transport systems in India, famous personalities of India and world, flagship government programs, flora and fauna of India, यानी बायो का पार्ट, जनरल साइंस एंड लाइफ साइंस अप टू 10th CBSE, यानी आपको सिर्फ 10th क्लास की CBSE तक की साइंस ही पढ़नी है. बेसिक्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर एंड कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन, इंपॉर्टेंस गवर्नमेंट एंड पब्लिक सेक्टर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ इंडिया एटसेट्रा. इस एटसेट्रा का मीनिंग है कि इसमें बहुत चीज़ें और भी इंक्लूड हैं जो हमें टाइम टू टाइम किसी बैच के साथ में पढ़ाया जाएगा. सो here are all the syllabus, all the information, important details. So friends, if you also want to be a part of this journey, please subscribe to this useful channel, like the videos and share with all freshers who are interested in it.